electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will show you how to make a smart attendance system, 16:2 LCD display and this RFID module. And I using the IM3 cards, and if you want to this mode card then you use it. And I using only two parents mobile number. Use the two mobile. See, when I scan my first RFID card, the 16:2 LCD display the name and the roll number, and then GSM sending the text message to the particular parent's mobile number. See, SMS will be received, and SMS is Pratik is present, time with respect time. See, the message will be Pratik is present and the time is 8:14. This message is when student going to the school, and I just scan the second time of RFID card. If a student come back to your home, then it's just scanning this RFID card, then parents know, okay, your child is come to the home. See, when I scan this RFID card, the 16:2 LCD display the name and roll number, and then GSM sending the text message. See, the SMS will become Pratik is out of
sponsored by the Next PCB.
Timing is,
you just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the Next PCB site is open. See, is the Next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2 layer, 4 layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this, and you show the so many things. I mean, you just change your PCB color, height, holes, and all the things you change the very easily. All details is
okay,
given
let's
in
go
my
and
video
see the component. Which component I use in this project? First component I use the Arduino Nano microcontroller board. Or you use 800A module. The RC552 RFID reader module. Fifth, I use the RFID tag. Sixth, I use the some LEDs and make it this project. I will explain this total hardware of this project. This is the PVC box. I just open this PVC box. I use the 16:2 LCD display, one green LED, one yellow LED, and RC552 RFID reader module. I just open this box. See, in this box I using this 0 PCB. I soldering all this component with few wires. Then I use this I2C model with 16:2 LCD display. This main controller is the Arduino Nano microcontroller. I use the SIM900A GSM module and the DS3231 RTC module. This all component I put in this 10 PCB. This is the totally hardware of this project, and this is the small box. And I just given the power supply is 12 volt 2 ampere. Just I use the DC female and male wires. Okay, this is the complete hardware of this project, and I just put this all this hardware in this box, and I just close this box. This is the PVC box. I hope you get it all this hardware knowledge to this project. Okay, let's go and see the working of this project. This is the main part of this project. I just explain the step by step how this project is work. See, when I just given the supply, the LCD in slice and said that welcome to our project, and the LCD display the put your card and the time and date also. And I have 3 cards and 2 mobile number, I mean the 2 parents mobile number. Suppose if I scan this my first RFID card, I just scan this RFID card, then yellow LED indicate your card will scan, and the LCD display all the data, and then GSM sending the text message to this parents mobile number, respectively parents mobile number. This SMS will become. When I open this SMS, is text is the Pratik is present with respect to the time. See, Pratik is present 8:14 and few seconds. Pratik is present. When a student going to the school, just scan this RFID card, and when a student come back to the home, then another 2 times, I mean the second time is scan your RFID card again. Then parents know this, your student will come. See, when I scan the second RFID card, the green light indicate you scan your second time your RFID card, and then GSM sending the text message to the parents mobile number. See, Pratik is out of the school, timing is 8:14 few seconds. Parents know this, okay, my child is come back to the home, okay, he is leaving this college at this times. Okay, this is the really interesting and very useful of this project. See, when I scan my second RFID card, then LCD display this name and roll number, and then GSM sending the text message to the different parents mobile number. See, the SMS will become in second mobile number, and they say that it display the message is the second RFID card. Suppose if I scan the second RFID card again, then green light indicate you scan in second RFID card second time, and displays the name and roll number, and then GSM sending the text message to the mobile number, parents mobile number. Sonu is present, Sonu is out of the school 8:15:46 with respect to the time. Okay, this is the complete demo state of this project. I hope you get it all these points, and if you want to this more RFID card, then you use it. You just put this RFID card with respect to the parents mobile number. I hope you like this project, and if you like this project, please share with your all the friends, and if you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.